Camarines Sur Governor Migz Villafuerte has reached a milestone in life. He's going to be a daddy. Villafuerte announced the good news as he shared this photo on social media. Villafuerte's fiancée, Miss Universe Philippines 2017 Rachel Peters, also announced it on social media with this photo showing her baby bump. She also revealed she's into her 4th month of pregnancy. In another post showing their trip to the hospital, the Politiko expressed gratitude to those who have been sending their greetings and good wishes. Villafuerte and Peters got engaged in November 2019.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.